80% of chronic diseases share one hidden root cause: insulin resistance. But what if you could eat your way back to health? Here are the 7 daily power foods that will fix your metabolism and reboot your body. 1. Raw sauerkraut, the microbiome powerhouse. When we think of superfoods, we often look to exotic berries from the Amazon, but one of the most transformative foods is sitting in a humble jar of fermented cabbage. Raw sauerkraut is far more than a condiment. It is a complex biological tool that addresses 3 major pillars of health: digestion, immunity, and cardiovascular integrity. The primary reason to prioritize sauerkraut is its status as a probiotic titan. While many people turn to yogurt or kefir for gut health, a single serving of high-quality, raw sauerkraut can contain trillions of colony-forming units, CFUs, of beneficial bacteria, significantly more than most commercial probiotic capsules. These microbes are essential for maintaining the delicate balance of the gut microbiome, which is often decimated by processed sugars and antibiotics. However, the magic of sauerkraut is lost if you buy the shelf-stable versions found in the center aisles of grocery stores. Those products are pasteurized, heated, a process that kills the very live cultures you need. You must look for raw, unpasteurized sauerkraut in the refrigerated section. From a nutritional standpoint, sauerkraut is a vitamin C powerhouse. A single cup can provide up to 700 milligrams of vitamin C. Unlike synthetic supplements, this vitamin C is complexed with phytonutrients, making it highly bioavailable. This is critical for collagen production, skin health, and adrenal function. Furthermore, sauerkraut contains a rare nutrient known as vitamin U, $S$-methylmethionine. Despite its obscure name, vitamin U is a potent healing agent for the digestive tract. It has been shown to accelerate the healing of gastric ulcers and reduce inflammation in the small and large intestines by strengthening the mucus lining. Beyond digestion, sauerkraut is a primary source of vitamin K2. While vitamin K1, found in leafy greens, is for blood clotting, K2 is responsible for calcium metabolism. It activates proteins that grab calcium out of your soft tissues, like your heart valves and arteries, and deposits it back into your bones and teeth. This makes sauerkraut an unsung hero for preventing hardening of the arteries. With only 1.9 grams of net carbs per cup, it provides all these benefits without triggering the insulin spike that leads to fat storage and chronic disease. 2. Arugula, the vascular performance green. If you are still eating iceberg or romaine lettuce, you are missing out on the pharmaceutical-grade benefits of arugula. Arugula is a member of the cruciferous family, making it a cousin to broccoli and kale, but it possesses a unique chemical profile that sets it apart as a functional food for the cardiovascular system. The standout feature of arugula is its status as the highest source of dietary nitrates on the planet. When you consume these nitrates, your body converts them into nitric oxide, NO. This gas acts as a signaling molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax and dilate, vasodilation. This process is vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure and ensuring that oxygen-rich blood reaches your brain, heart, and muscles. In fact, many athletes use beet juice for this effect, but arugula provides a more potent, low-carb alternative. Improved nitric oxide levels don't just help the heart. They are also the primary mechanism for treating erectile dysfunction and improving overall physical stamina. Another significant advantage of arugula is what it doesn't have: oxalates. Many healthy greens, such as spinach and beet greens, are unfortunately high in oxalates, compounds that can bind with calcium to form painful kidney stones or aggravate joint conditions like arthritis. Arugula provides the leafy green benefits without the risk of stone formation, making it the safest base for a daily salad. Because it is a cruciferous vegetable, arugula also contains isothiocyanates, such as sulforaphane. These compounds are famous for their anti-cancer properties. They trigger the liver to produce phase 2 detoxification enzymes, which help neutralize carcinogens and environmental toxins. Additionally, arugula has been shown to help inhibit the growth of H. pylori, the bacteria responsible for many cases of gastritis and stomach ulcers. To maximize the benefits of arugula, it should be consumed with a healthy fat. The phytonutrients and vitamin K found in the leaves are fat-soluble. Drizzling a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil over your arugula doesn't just improve the peppery taste. It ensures that your body can actually absorb the nutrients. Adding a sprinkle of nutritional yeast can further enhance the profile by adding B-complex vitamins, creating a meal that protects the heart and fuels the nervous system. 3. wild-caught salmon, the anti-inflammatory anchor. In a world where the average diet is drowning in inflammatory omega-6 seed oils, like soybean and canola oil, wild-caught salmon acts as the ultimate nutritional reset button. It is perhaps the most efficient delivery system for the long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, which are the building blocks of human health. The distinction of wild-caught is non-negotiable. Farmed salmon are often raised in cramped pens, fed GMO soy and corn, and given synthetic pigments to turn their flesh pink. They frequently contain higher levels of antibiotics and persistent organic pollutants. Wild salmon, however, eat a natural diet of plankton and smaller fish, resulting in a superior fatty acid profile and a deep, natural hue from the antioxidant astaxanthin. This antioxidant is what gives salmon the strength to swim upstream, and in humans, it provides internal sun protection for the skin and protects the eyes from macular degeneration. The DHA in salmon is a primary structural component of the human brain and retina. Consuming it regularly is linked to improved cognitive function, better mood regulation, and a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Meanwhile, EPA is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. It works by inhibiting the pathways that produce pro-inflammatory cytokines. This makes salmon an essential medical food for anyone suffering from itis conditions, arthritis, tendinitis, or even inflammation of the arterial walls. A common concern with fish consumption is mercury toxicity. Salmon is uniquely safe in this regard because it is incredibly high in selenium. Selenium has a high affinity for mercury. It binds to it, forming a new compound that the body cannot absorb, which is then safely excreted. Essentially, salmon carries its own antidote to heavy metal exposure. To get the full spectrum of nutrients, you must eat the skin. The layer of fat just beneath the skin contains the highest concentration of omega-3s, and the skin itself is rich in collagen, which supports joint and skin elasticity. When you consume salmon, you are providing your body with high-quality protein that has a very low insulin index. Unlike refined carbs, the combination of protein and healthy fats in salmon provides a slow, steady release of energy, keeping you satiated for hours and protecting you from the insulin roller coaster that leads to weight gain and metabolic decay. 4. Cod liver, the liquid gold of organ meats. While many health enthusiasts push beef liver as the ultimate superfood, a large portion of the population find the taste and texture of land animal organs difficult to tolerate. Enter cod liver. Often sold in small tins, cod liver is the most nutrient-dense hidden gem in the human diet. It offers a creamy, mild texture, often compared to a rich pâté or pudding, while providing a concentrated dose of fat-soluble vitamins that are nearly impossible to find elsewhere in such high quantities. The primary reason to consume cod liver is its unparalleled omega-3 concentration. While salmon is excellent, cod liver is the heavyweight champion of DHA and EPA. In the modern Western diet, we are bombarded with omega-6 fatty acids from seed oils, soybean, corn, and cottonseed oil, which drive systemic inflammation. Omega-3s compete with these inflammatory fats. By eating cod liver, you are effectively rebalancing your cellular membranes, driving down inflammation, and supporting the electrical conduction of your heart. Beyond healthy fats, cod liver is one of the world's best sources of natural vitamin A and vitamin D3. Most people rely on synthetic supplements, but the vitamins in cod liver are pre-formed. For example, the vitamin A in cod liver is retinol, the active form your body can use immediately for vision, skin health, and immune function. This is far superior to the beta-carotene found in carrots, which the body often struggles to convert. Furthermore, the vitamin D3 in cod liver works synergistically with the vitamin K2 from your sauerkraut, food number 1, to ensure that calcium is absorbed and directed to the bones rather than the arteries. From an insulin perspective, cod liver is a perfect food. It consists almost entirely of healthy fats and high-quality protein, which results in a zero to negligible insulin response. This makes it an ideal food for those on a ketogenic diet or anyone struggling with type 2 diabetes. When you consume the oil found in the tin, you are essentially drinking a natural anti-inflammatory tonic. However, a pro tip for those with sensitive gallbladders: eat the solid liver pieces rather than drinking the entire tin of oil at once to avoid a heavy feeling in the upper abdomen. 5. Grass-fed hamburger, 80/20ths the metabolic foundation. In recent decades, red meat has been unfairly demonized. However, when you look at the actual biochemistry of grass-fed beef, it becomes clear that high-quality hamburger meat is one of the most bioavailable sources of human nutrition. The key is to move away from the lean is better myth. An 80-20 blend, 80% lean, 20% fat, is the metabolic sweet spot for those looking to manage insulin. When you eat pure, lean protein, the body can actually convert some of those amino acids into glucose via a process called gluconeogenesis, which can cause a moderate spike in insulin. However, when you eat protein with its naturally occurring fat, the fat slows down the digestion process and buffers the insulin response. This leads to longer-lasting satiety and more stable blood sugar levels. Nutritionally, grass-fed hamburger is a treasure trove of heme iron, which is absorbed at a rate significantly higher than the non-heme iron found in plants. It is also packed with zinc, essential for testosterone production and immune defense, and B12, which is critical for nerve health. But the real secret weapons in beef are carnosine and creatine. Carnosine is a powerful anti-aging antioxidant that prevents glycation, the process where sugar molecules damage your proteins, a major factor in wrinkling and arterial damage. Creatine, while famous in the bodybuilding world, is actually essential for every cell in your body to produce ATP, energy. Furthermore, beef from grass-fed cows contains CLA, conjugated linoleic acid. CLA is a unique fatty acid that has been shown in studies to help reduce body fat and improve lean muscle mass. By choosing grass-fed over grain-fed, you are also ensuring a better ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 and avoiding the growth hormones and antibiotics often found in industrial feedlot beef. It is a foundational food that provides the raw materials for muscle repair, hormonal balance, and sustained energy. 6. Brazil nuts. The Immune Command Center. The Brazil nut is not just a snack, it is a pharmaceutical-grade mineral delivery system. You do not eat Brazil nuts by the handful, you eat them as a supplement. Consuming just 1 or 2 nuts per day provides more than 100% of the recommended dietary allowance, RDA, for selenium, a trace mineral that acts as a master switch for your immune system and your thyroid. The most critical role of selenium is the activation of T helper cells. These cells are the generals of your immune system. They identify pathogens and command the soldier cells to attack viruses and bacteria. A selenium deficiency effectively leaves your immune system without a command structure, making you highly susceptible to chronic infections and even autoimmune flares. There is a profound correlation between selenium deficiency and the progression of viral diseases, as selenium prevents viruses from mutating into more dangerous forms. For the millions of people suffering from fatigue and brain fog, the Brazil nut is a thyroid savior. Your thyroid produces a hormone called T4, but T4 is inactive. To turn it into the active T3 hormone, the hormone that actually controls your metabolism, your body requires a selenium-dependent enzyme. Without enough selenium, your metabolism stalls regardless of how little you eat. Additionally, selenium is a precursor to glutathione, the body's master antioxidant. Glutathione protects your cells from oxidative stress and helps the liver detoxify harmful chemicals. However, because Brazil nuts are so potent, you must be careful. Eating 20 or 30 nuts a day for an extended period can lead to selenium toxicity, selenosis, which can cause hair loss and nail brittleness. This is why the 1 to 2 nuts a day rule is the gold standard for metabolic health. It is the easiest, most cost-effective way to protect your thyroid and armor your immune system. 7. Extra virgin olive oil, the mitochondrial shield. Extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, is the cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet for a reason. It is the ultimate clean fuel for your mitochondria, the energy factories inside your cells. Unlike seed oils, which oxidize easily and cause cellular damage, EVOO is primarily composed of oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that is highly stable and incredibly heart-healthy. The hallmark of truly high-quality olive oil is a peppery tickle or a burn in the back of the throat. This sensation is caused by oleocanthal, a natural phenolic compound that has anti-inflammatory effects similar to ibuprofen, but without the side effects. These polyphenol are 20 times more potent than the antioxidants found in green tea. They work by protecting your LDL cholesterol from oxidizing. Remember, cholesterol is only truly dangerous when it becomes damaged or oxidized by sugar and seed oils. EVO acts as a shield, keeping your cholesterol in its natural healthy state. From a cardiovascular standpoint, EVOO is anti-clotting. Most heart attacks are not caused by a slow buildup of plaque alone, but by a sudden blood clot, thrombosis. The phytonutrients in olive oil help keep the blood slippery and prevent the inappropriate sticking of platelets. Furthermore, it supports the health of the endothelium, the thin inner lining of your blood vessels, ensuring they remain flexible and responsive to changes in blood pressure. To reap the benefits, you must ensure your olive oil is authentic. Because of widespread olive oil fraud, many bottles are cut with cheap sunflower or canola oil. Look for oils harvested in a single country, like Italy, Spain, or Greece, and ensure they are in dark glass bottles to protect against light damage. When you use EVOO as a dressing for your arugula, food number 2, and sauerkraut, food number 1, you are creating a synergistic super meal that lowers inflammation, protects your DNA, and fuels your brain without ever causing a rise in insulin. Most people are eating the exact opposite of these foods and wondering why they're tired. Try this list for just 7 days. I guarantee you'll feel the difference. Which one of these are you starting with tomorrow? Let me know in the comments below.